are going to love the 2025 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.